You won't believe this.
I wanna take it to a new level. Rolex with a new bezel. Cameras flash everywhere I walk now. Ain't even sound like money when I talk now. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? First class when I dash. Ain't no other rappers near me. Just to get this kind of paper, I'ma need custom to clear me. Want some Cartiers just to see the haters clearly. Playing while I'm working, 10,000 for a Birkin. You on Instagram, lurking, praying that we meet in person. I'm a boss, you and turning model shape, get it perfect. Bitch, you look like Miss Piggy. We like, where the hell is Kermit? I'm in position to kill it, give a damn if you feel it. I was just thinking about buying a spot, you ain't in the building. Man, I'm a millions, ain't got no time for no feelings. I come from the bottom, baby, I need my money on ceilings. New classic, the new killer, looking in gold mirrors and feeling like who's realer. Wondering who's iller than the illest bitch alive. You find me, son, don't be surprised. Stand tall in this passport. Shot glasses in Glasgow. Feeling like what more could we ask for? Talking that shit cause I'm an asshole. Fly selling this new Chanel. Pounds of news, they pay me well. I can't stand next to a basic. Cause ain't nothing about me basic. Y'all know what I've been on, y'all know that I've been on. Mass murder these beats, kill everything that I get on. Perfect when I get my spit on. Small talk, I don't trip on. Rockin' that Versace, can Iggy get a big on?